Good afternoon, sir. My name is Nakul Agarwal, and being an employee, or we can say that being a representative of Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance, yes, I'm here to state you some of the highlights of the life insurances. So basically, what is life insurance? So it's a contract between the life insurance company and the insured person. Okay, so essentially what happens, like in exchange for your premium payments, the insurance company pays a, like a lump sum, which is also known as the death benefit to your beneficiaries after insured person's death. So like if a person who is taking a policy, who is taking a life insurance policy, and any of the mishappening happens within the period of time, so the nomination or the nominee, a person will create what the nominee will be created by the person, the insured person, the benefit of the insurance will get to him or her. So this is all about the life insurance. So like it creates a security for your family, for your wife, or for your children, even for your I don't think the relatives comes under this, because the blood relation comes into it. So there are two types of life insurances, that is the term life insurance and the permanent life insurance. The term life insurance is something about the life insurance, the life policy for for a period of time. For example, a 5 years plan or a 10 years plan. So where you are paying your premiums for a certain period of time, and you will be ensured, you'll be like secured for that period only. Okay. And the permanent life insurance is, you will be paying some amount, some premiums, some amounts as a premium for monthly basis or for a yearly basis. That completely depends on the insured persons. Okay. So like the according to the premium, your security, your life insurance will be considered, which is to be get after the age of 70 or 80, or if your death happens in between. So like the main purpose of life insurance is to provide a financial benefit to the dependents upon the premature death of an insured person. If a person dies before the period of time, before the tenure which he has taken for a life insurance, the dependents, the nominees will be getting that benefit. So this policy pays a specified amount called the death benefit to the named beneficiary when the insured dies. So this is all about the life insurance. So like here I am just going to share a slide, uh, which like from which you will be getting a complete idea about how insurance company works, how being a representative of Bajaj Allianz, the Bajaj Allianz life insurance works, and it helps to the people around the market. So here's my slide. So like I'm going to yes. So the Bajaj Allianz life insurance. Okay. Now coming on to the introduction. So this is the introduction. Life insurance sector of India is primarily dominated by the LIC of India. As everybody knows, LIC, it's a government body in insurance sector, and it's a big shot company, it's a big shot organization in the insurance sector. It lasts from 1800s until now, it working on its like on its verge. Okay, but Bajaj Allianz has also made its presence felt in the recent past. Though Bajaj Allianz is a private sector company, but among every private companies in insurance sector, Bajaj Allianz is standing on a top. Any other company cannot touch even the gates of the Bajaj Allianz company now. So they have made their presence in the market. So as everybody, or as all of you knows that, like, the Bajaj is also known as the Bajaj Auto previously, which is the one of the biggest two and three wheeler manufacturers in the world. So it get associated with the Allianz Group and became a Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company Limited. It's a private limited company. It has a global name. It has a largest asset manager in the world. I'll be definitely going to this part as largest asset manager in the world. I'll be count this sentence in the coming slides. So managing assets worth over 996 billion euros. Allianz AG has 115 years of financial experience in over 70 countries, and Bajaj Auto is the most trusted name in the Indian market for over 55 years. So they both combined and becomes a private company limited, and which is now like 1,000 crores company. It's a big short company in private sector. The purpose of study says that the Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance Company is required to know the customer perception. It's really very important to know the what customers needs, what customers requirement nowadays. So basically there are two parameters are going on: the solution, and second one is the needs. Person's need is getting the funds, and person's solution is how? By a loan. So we need to identify the needs first. We don't need to get directly into the solution part. Okay, so insurance industry is one of the fastest growing sectors in the coming COVID time, in the pandemic time also. People sitting at home calling to the insurance representatives, asking about the product, get understanding of every part of the product, and buys a product. So insurance sector, like, it never stops. People saves their money through insurance sector only. People get the good returns from insurance sector only, and people get the security for their family from the insurance sector only. Recently, many private national life insurance companies have entered the Indian market. Definitely this has increased the competition to a great extent. So, like, Bajaj Allianz is not a single company in the insurance sector. There are lots and lots more company who are now providing the similar product and with a very low range. But Bajaj Allianz never works on the low range products. It has a specific clients, it has a specific range of products on which it like goes, on which it like creates a market. It does not like compromise with the quality. It always works with the clients who has a lot of name in the market. So the company has to know the present demand for insurance so that they can adjust their market presence and performance accordingly. Coming on to the segmentation part, yes, I have segmented the data. Like, I have surveyed and I have segmented the data between the users and the non-users. So nowadays 91% of the population are aware of the life insurance product, are aware of the life insurance services, the benefits, whereas 9% they are not using any kind of life insurance, any kind of child protection or health insurance, or we can say the retirement plan. They don't plan. Afterwards, what happens? So like they struggle to get a even a bread and a butter. So like one has to go for a life insurance in their life at a right time, and the right time is 18 to 25 years. Okay, in the second graph I have shown that 18 to 25 years of age people, they are more aware, and 36% of that age group are aware of, like, they are aware and they are using the benefits of the life insurance. Coming on to the 25 to 30 years of age, yes, 24% are the population are working on it, are like they are aware of the product. Similarly, 35 to 45, 45 to 51, and beyond 55. Okay, coming on to the male and female part, yes, females are more savings oriented. 72% of the population are the females who are investing in life insurance. They know how to save money for the parents, for their children's, whereas men are like they work in the field, they work in the market, they work in the offices, they don't know much about the life insurance. But yes, people are influenced by the females, by the mothers, by the wives for this, and they're working on it. Coming on to the demographic part, yes, coming on to the qualifications, the education qualifications part, the postgraduates mostly like they are of the age 22 or something around 23 to 30 years of age. Yes, 56% of that people are using the life insurance products. Whereas, I'm so sorry, I quote the wrong data. Postgraduates, around 35% of the postgraduates and the graduates, yes, the graduates 18 to 22, 25 years of age people, they are the graduates people, and they are using 56% of the day, like 56% of the graduates are using the life insurance part, and 35% of the postgraduates, whereas 9% of the undergraduates are not like they are not much aware about the life insurance, but yes, they have to be, through their parents, through their friends, through their relatives, they have to go to the life insurance for them. So among the respondents, 56% were graduates, while 54% were professionals. So coming on to the professionals part, like their passion, their like what I can say, their designation. So businessmen are not much aware because they don't have time. They are time constrained. They work harder and harder in the field. They work for the family. They earn the money for the family, but not very much aware about the life insurance. But they have to be. So, what being a representative, we have to definitely approach the businessmen. They don't have a like they don't suffer from money part. They have a lot of money, but they don't have any idea about how to invest that money. They know how to spend that money, but spending in the right position, in the right time, and the right product is more important. Professionals, yes, professionals, like they are working in the office, they come to know about from their seniors, from their colleagues, they come to know about the life insurances. But yes, mostly professionals, like 54% people are the professionals, and they are approaching to the life insurance products. Now some purpose and influencers, 30% respondents, like they go for the returns and the tax benefits. So people working in the offices, just to get the tax rebate, they purchase the life insurance products. Okay, some people like they use the product for savings, and some for the risk cover, security for the family. But the most important is the returns, high returns they are getting in the tenure, in the period of time, and the tax benefit they are getting. And similarly, people are most like 37% of people, they are like largely self-propelled. They know where to invest money, where to get the high returns. And 33% people are mostly influenced or convinced by the family members or their wives or the seniors or their mentors. So there are people who are investing no matter how they're investing, whether they are self-aware, whether they are influenced by anyone. We are there for you. Just call us anytime. We are there for you anytime. Coming on to aspects part, yes, 50% of the respondents got aware of insurance companies through advertisements. How can a person know about a product? Through advertisement. You're watching a television, you're watching an ad over there, and you come to know about that similar product. Similarly, when you get to know about the product through advertisements, mostly in every sector, advertisement plays a very important role. And like Bajaj Allianz, like the brand image plays a very major role here. Brand image, the reliability, yes, it's a very reliable company. The flexible plans it gave, the good customer base it has, like what people wants a good service, so they are reliable, they provide a good service, they have a very customer centric team through which they make them understand about the plan, about the product. Okay, now coming on to the aspects part second. So like mostly what happens in the market, like people are approaching to the customers, giving them fake promises, giving them false hopes that you'll be getting a high returns, like 20%, 30%, but that never happens. So people are really suffering from the reimbursement delays, the hidden charges, the long verification, misleading ads, poor agents. So like the company name, like people get a mindset. Basically what happens now, if one company doing these type of mistakes, every other company, people gets a mindset that these all companies are the same, like that. एक मछली तालाब को गंदा कर देती है, यहाँ पर ये पूरा वाक्य लागू होता है. Okay, so like most dissatisfying factor about a life insurance company is its misleading promotions and the delays in reimbursement. Okay, policy holders, yes, as I have told you, LIC is a government body, people have different kind of trust in it. Similarly, if I talk about the banks, SBI is a government body, people have different kind of trust in SBI and different kinds of trust in Axis Bank or ICICI Bank. Similarly, like Axis Bank is the third largest private sector bank and it tops among the private sector banks. Yes, Bajaj Allianz is the private sector insurance company and it tops among every other life insurance company. Okay, so out of all the respondents, 63% were the customers of LIC, while 35% were having the Bajaj Allianz life insurance. Yes. Overall perception is respondents asked to choose which one the best life insurance company, most agreed that LIC was the leader, while Bajaj Allianz was the second best because it's a private company. Okay, nowadays what's happening? It's a recent news. Like you all have come across that some of the government banks are converted to the private banks. Privatization is going on. So why this privatization is happening in the market? Because of the good efficiency, because of the good results, good business. So in coming years, every bank, every company is going to be privatized. Bajaj Allianz is already getting a huge respect in the market. Bajaj Allianz tops among every other company. So in the coming years also, like it has a perception, in the coming years, Bajaj Allianz will boom the market. It's pretty ahead of the other private players. Perception among groups, yes, people are approaching LIC more, 41%. Then comes to 31%, that is Bajaj Allianz. 100% of the respondents who are undergraduates were insured only with LIC because they don't have any idea about any of the product and services and the benefits. Okay, so they know, yes, LIC is the only company, just go for LIC. That's not the part. You have to come to the bank, you have to understand the product, you have to meet us people, then you will be getting a complete idea. You can't just perceive, like you can't just take a mindset and go to the like हमें तो केवल यही जाना है, यही अच्छा सामान मिलेगा. That's not a good thing. You have to compare everything, you have to see, you have to go and visit there, then only you can say that product is good or a bad. Now coming on to why life insurance, हम क्यों लेना चाहते हैं life insurance? Because of the fast track life. Nowadays people don't have time to talk, people are rushing to the office timing on the office timings. If you can ask, if you ask a people, what is time, or I have to go there, can you please guide me how to go? He never stops, he never guides you, because it's a very fast track life. People has to rush, people has to reach over there. Okay, and you don't know about any time what can happen to with you. You have your family, you have a parents, you have a wife, children's, you have a lots and lots of responsibilities. Life insurance is very much important. Nuclear families. Okay, nowadays we can't see joint families. There are nuclear families more than the joint families. So in the nuclear families, a husband, wife, children, mother, father, that's a nuclear family. And for them, a person has to take a life insurance policy just to secure your family. If any mishappening happens with anyone in the family, at least you have some bread and butter. You at least you have some money in your hand, that you can survive in the market, that you can eat something. Job demands. Okay, there are a lot and lots of job demands going on in the market. Okay, traveling, people are traveling, you have a travel insurance. But like, similarly, I don't want to repeat again and again like the mishappening, but yes, in the traveling also, anything can happen. Future security. Yes, there will be a future security for your parents, for your family. Okay, so once you buy a life insurance, you will be secured for the period of time, what period you will be selecting, either 10 years or 20 years or 50 years. Okay, there is a future security for your family. Investments. Yes, you are earning your money, you are investing your money on a right product. Okay, which giving you a good returns. You're not losing anything, you're getting a good returns with it. Just you have to invest some money for a period of time, and you'll be getting a good returns for your family. Like, if a person having a children of 10 years, children age 10 years, and after 8 years or 10 years, a children's for the children's education, one has to save some money. How? Through life insurance. Okay, you'll be getting a tax rebate from your from your job. While working, you will be paying a tax to the government. By this, you will be getting a tax benefits. You're just investing, you're getting that money back after some period of time, and you're getting also tax benefits, you're also getting. Coming on to the instruments, like there are several instruments: the provident funds, shares, bonds, mutual funds, and the life insurances. So talking about safety part, yes, life insurance tops there. It's very high. Liquidity is very low. You're not paying a full amount, you're just paying a partial payments. So liquidity is very low over here. Post tax returns, okay, it's really very good. Tax efficiency, it's high efficiency. And life cover, yes, life insurance providing you the life cover every time. So in every aspects, life insurance, when you compare with any product, any instrument, life insurance tops among everything. There's a recent news, I've gone through that, the news today. Bajaj Allianz life asset under management. I told you I'll be connecting this in coming slides, in coming uh, upcoming time. So AUM grows 79% in 10 years, and it crossed 70,000 crores. It's a very huge amount. Coming on to the features part, yes, issued in the name of the policy holder. If you're taking a policy, the the policy will be issued by your name. You have to give your nominee name also. Okay, so the benefits after your death, your nominee will be getting the benefits of that money. Flexible premium payments, you will be like the person is selecting their own premium payments. If a person is taking a 10 years policy, every month 10 years policy, and that policy that is of 5 lakh policy, 5 lakh rupees policy, person has to give a 50,000 per 10 till 10 years. So it's a flexible premium payments, customizable tenure. You can take a life insurance policy for 10 years, for 20 years, beyond that. Customizable sum assured. Okay, the sum assured, the amount which you are getting after the maturity, that is also customizable. You can keep it over there. After 5 years, you will be getting a more good returns. Payout on death or on maturity. If an insured person dies, the maturity amount gets to the family of the person or the nominee of the person. Ability to assign nominees. So like you can assign a nominee to your wife, to your children, to your father and your mother. Features and investment component. Yes, it's a very good investment component. Some key advantages, like here I just want to show you from pen and paper, I just want to show you some of the good points. So why people take the life insurance? I'm going to explain you this on a brief note. There are two types of, okay, there are two basically parameters why person buys a life insurance: to get a good returns, number one, and second is your family protection. फर्स्ट क्या था? रिटर्न्स. दूसरा क्या था? परिवार की सुरक्षा. हम इसलिए लेते हैं. फर्स्ट पॉइंट में अगर बात करूं, सो लाइक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉफिट्स. ओके, so there are more investment profits. Okay, if you are taking a ULIP plan, it's a unit linked plan, depends on the market. If market gets high, you will be getting a very good amount, very good returns, up to 18% to 20%, and goes beyond like 25 to 30% also sometimes. Okay, in हिंदी में हम इसको क्या बोलते हैं? निवेश लाभ. आपने जो अमाउंट पॉलिसी में लगाया है, जितने की पॉलिसी ली है, उससे कई ज्यादा आपको रिटर्न मिलना, जिसको हम कहते हैं इन्वेस्टमेंट प्रॉफिट. Similarly, in the second point, I'm going to tell you about the tax saving plan. Okay, so हम इसको हिंदी में कहते हैं कर लाभ. Tax saving, how it can be like happen, like what you are paying and what you're getting. Okay, so there are section 80C in the first point. Everybody is like seeing in the first point there is a section 80C. Through that you will be getting a tax rebate. Okay, like if you're working in an office, you're paying a tax to the government, but under this section 80C, if you're buying a policy, if you're buying a life insurance policy, you'll be getting a tax benefit. You don't have to pay now any tax, because you are already investing some money in the life insurance company. And after the maturity, like according to the under the section 1010D, you will be getting the maturity benefit. So the some companies quote that after the maturity you will be getting the tax deducted amount. If your amount after the maturity is 10,000, company deducts 30% of that amount and you will be getting 7,000 in your account. But under this section 1010D, you will be getting your tax free amount. The complete mature amount will be transferred to your account. Okay, this is the very good. Now coming on to the beauty part of this life insurance. Okay, in any product, in any Bajaj Allianz life insurance product, you will be getting the liquidity. So you don't have to pay a full payment on a single go. You have to pay a partial payments, which is known as the premiums. You can choose accordingly, like you can pay monthly on a monthly mode or on a yearly mode. It's up to you. The life insurance coverage, yes, if the multiple riders, the use of multiple riders at nominal extra cost, yes, it also increases your life insurance coverage. Okay, if you're paying more, you'll be getting more. Simple. And if you're investing in the ULIP plans, yes, you'll be getting a high return for sure, because market always it goes like up and up. You'll be getting a good returns. You'll be getting a high returns for sure. Now I have done some short analysis of this Bajaj Allianz life insurance. So like Bajaj, the strength of the Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance is it is the largest private player in the insurance industry. It gives you the excellent services, the customization of products, the brand image it like creates in the market, business experience. It has like more than 55 years of business experience, strong financial base, innovative products. Company has a large network of branches. Like it has like thousands of branches in India. If I talk about, in every city they have their branches, 2 to 3 branches in every city. So like they have lot of good network. And coming on to the weakness part, yes. So every company has its weaknesses, and they are working, and Bajaj Allianz is also working on its weaknesses. And definitely like it comes to on the point where it creates like it shows a low weakness or a no weakness in coming years. So like there are a lot of competitors. Every product it has a competitors. So they have a lot of competitors in the market which offers the same product but the same title and with the low range. So like it's a weakness for the Bajaj Allianz because they are not providing that same product with the low offerings. Targets only the higher income people, higher income group. So because just to create a market, if you want to create your name in the market, yes, you have to be very specific about the like your group, your clients. Okay, higher premiums, client face problems to get insured due to a large number of formalities, high targets for the financial advisors. So these are some weaknesses on which Bajaj Allianz company is working on it. Huge market is literally untapped. Out of estimated 320 million insurable markets, only 20% of the population is insured. So like it has a very good opportunity for the Bajaj Allianz. Like some of the literate peoples, like they are untapped. The people have not, the company has not tapped on it. So it has a huge market of literal like people. Out of estimated 320 million insurable markets, 20% of the population is insured only. Okay, so like Conservative Society of India, where people are more inclined towards risk-free investments such as banks, FD, and savings rather than equity. So the security with high returns. So there exists high potential for insurance company like Bajaj Allianz. I've mentioned every point very simpler way. So like if I'm reading it, you'll be getting a complete idea in your mind. So in the pension field, where people want good life after their retirement, Indian people are more emotional towards their children. That's why children plans are selling like hotcakes. Okay, so like they are working on different platforms. They are working on the children plans also. They are working on the pension plans also, and for the youth, they are working on the health insurances also. So like they are giving every possible services in the market in every age group people they are giving. Health insurance and pension schemes, like they are working on a very high range. Their estimated market potential is approximately $15 billion. My God, it's really huge. Threats, yes, they have the weak perception of private players in the minds of Indian people. Large number of insurance players like ICICI and Prudential and Birla Life, they are providing with very low premium with the similar plans. So Bajaj Allianz never works with that. Entry of many other private companies with equally strong experience and financial strength. Yes, the competition is difficult and saturating the urban markets. For the insurance sector, government see the authority, that is the IRDA, the Insurance Regulatory and Development Authority, which is undertaken to take a track record of all the companies and change rules day by day, which is more rigid and which is very difficult for the companies. So like these are some sort analysis I have worked upon. So like company Bajaj Allianz Life Insurance never works with the same specific thing the other companies are working. It has a different name, it has a brand image on which it is working. Some conclusions, like it is the largest second largest insurance company. It has to work on the areas to maintain its position and grow faster. The marketing communication of Bajaj Allianz has to focus on creating knowledge. So like there are several points which I already have covered. So Bajaj Allianz Insurance Company are there to work with the people who are aware, who wants to invest money in a good market, at a right place at a right time. So I hope guys you like my video. Just I can request that please share as much as you can. Please subscribe it. Uh, give me more love, and I'll be presenting in front of you with a new product every time. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, everyone. Have a nice day.